If you're interested in creating a flyer to promote your massage therapy business, I can give you some tips. I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday. Now, the first thing you want to think about is to capture attention. You really want that potential client to be interested and want to read your flyer. So you can do this by putting a nice, interesting picture or phrase on the top. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you include all your information. You want to make sure it's very easy for the client to get a hold of you, and you want to include your name and your license number, which is mandatory on any piece of advertising material, by the way. Your business name, of course, your business phone number, your email, and also include a short paragraph about you. It's very handy. People really want to know about you before they come and see you. They want to know about what you're about and what you believe in. Now, the third thing you want to remember is your target market and who they are, the goods and services that you can provide them, as well as the benefits that they can receive from these goods and services. And if you have any specialties or prior experience, that's something that can really help you gain credibility with potential clients. So I will include that as well, with benefits of those too. You also definitely want to include your prices, because these days people really want to know how much they're paying for something before they pay for it. And then also a really good tip is to put a coupon in there. For instance, you could put a coupon for 20% off your first visit, and that can really entice someone to come see you. And if you're good, then they'll remain a faithful client. So those are just a few tips for putting together a nice, comprehensive massage flyer to promote your business. I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday.